Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use Google Play Store or any browser on ZTE Blade A71. So first, let's try launching our Google Play Store, and here we have a game. We can try to install it. It starts the installation process, but it's stuck in a pending mode. So the download won't actually begin. So now let's cancel it and move on to our browser. As right here, we try to reach any website. For example, YouTube. There's a problem as well. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to launch our our settings. Scroll all the way down to find the system, then date and time. Here set network, use network provided time, and if you go back to your Google Chrome, reload the page, it works fine. Now we can try Google Play Store, and our game is right here. We can install it, so it should begin actual download and leave the pending mode like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.